for the snow. I'll open it. Oh, this is not that bad over here. You fixed it already?
I cleaned a little bit. Okay.
Get out of here. Fun. Me trying to vlog with one hand. Even if you wanted to leave, you have nowhere to go. It's like, this is as tall as the car. Walking in a winter wonderland. What? It's so fun. I want to build a snowman. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. We're not building a snowman because I've been for 5 minutes. My hands were starting to lose feeling. So let's go back in. Oh my goodness. Mary. This is stunning. Wow. Welcome to Vlogmas number 7. I did it! This is my last vlog. I made it. I vlogged for 7 days in a row. It was a lot. Editing isn't easy, especially when you don't have the motivation of money. I'm just basically doing this for my family and friends, and I actually really enjoy it. I enjoy looking back at my memories. You know, it's great that I got a taste of what it's like to vlog constantly, but I'm also glad that this is over. So if you guys saw my video yesterday, you would know that I'm in Buffalo and that I am stuck inside the house because of a blizzard. In the spirit of Quizmois, I just want to say that I'm really grateful that I get to be in a really warm, cozy environment with food, shelter, and warmth, because I know that there aren't a lot of people that get to have that, especially in Buffalo right now. There have been instances where people aren't safe. I just want to say that I feel very grateful that I get to, like I say, make the best of it, because a lot of people can't do that. But yes, I hope you enjoyed my vlogs, this Vlogmas. I am of course gonna be posting more in the future, just not every day. And subscribe to my channel so that eventually I can make money from it. But anyway, let me know which videos I should be doing in the future. I really have no idea. I love making YouTube videos, it's fun. All right guys, see you later. Bye.